English is an altogether different ball game when it comes to work. Altogether different ball game? Yes, that's exactly what I meant. People at work use different phrases and make themselves look smarter, sound smarter. So here's your turn to learn some smart ways of using different sentences, phrases at work. Let's take it one by one. Number one, to be on top. To be on top means to be on top of things, that is to have control over different things at work. As an example, Cheryl is a great team leader. She's always on top of things, that she has control of everything. Number two, to be on the ball. To be on the ball means somebody or someone who does not make mistakes and is always alert. Rajesh is on the ball. He's point on the ball. That means that he does not make mistakes and he's always accurate. To think out of the box. Now, this one is common, but still, to think out of the box is to think different. India needs youngsters who think out of the box. That means they think very different. Number four is to brainstorm. Now, what is to brainstorm? That is to bring different ideas where you give a lot of efforts to your brain and bring in lots of points. So, whenever you have a team meeting, do definitely brainstorm. Now, to get the ball rolling. Now, another common one, to get the ball rolling, that means to get the work started. And then you have a few more of them, which we will talk in the next video of ours.